Here's how to fix iPhone 17 Pro Max Screen Flickering. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your iPhone and search for the screen options. Now, once you search for the screen options, you will be able to see there all the screen settings that you can edit out. So let's first do the screen capture. So make sure that it is under the SDR or most compatible option so that you won't be able to experience some complications on your end. Next is go to the display and brightness option. Make sure that all toggle buttons are turned on, or make sure that there are no hassle settings that can affect on the screen flickering of your iPhone. The next thing that you can do is you can go ahead and shut down your phone and then turn it on once again. So you can go ahead and press on the shutdown button at the right side of your iPhone. So this usually helps for you to be able to actually have a normal screen once again. You can also check the iPhone storage.